You want more energy. You want to prevent disease. You want to burn your body fat. You want faster recovery times. You want better performance. You want longevity. Well, then you need healthy mitochondria.
And to get healthy mitochondria, you need to watch this video.
Remember, you know this guy? He's the mitochondriac that I did an interview with.
Yes, that's me.
And now we're shooting a cooking book for mitochondriacs.
Yeah.
So maybe you can walk us through what we're doing today and why we're doing that.
Yeah, so a lot of patients and clients were asking like, okay, so food can be an important thing in fixing my health again, but how do I do that? Because your view of food is so different than other people. So can you tell me a little bit more? So, and that question pops up a lot. So I was thinking, okay, let's make a book where everybody knows a little bit about light. Food is light, light is food. How does that relate to mitochondria and reversing some kind of disease?
All right, and what are the biggest takeaways for somebody who's going to buy this book and cook with the recipes you're advising people?
Yeah, get control of your hormones back. That's the most important thing. You can support that with food. Yeah, it's also a guide to show that it doesn't have to be that special. You can make a real nice dinner with real good quality food, easy to make.
Thomas, explain something about the seasons.
Yeah, so it's important to have different food and that matches with the season. So, for example, a banana doesn't grow in the winter, so it's not good for the mitochondria. You don't want that in the winter. In the winter time, the only thing you can eat is basically animals, because seeds, nuts, fruits, vegetables don't grow, especially in the northern hemisphere. So you want basically fish. And other kinds of animals you want to eat. That there's a lot of protein, there's a lot of fats in there, and that's what you need in the wintertime.
Can you give a couple of examples of breakfast replacements? For example, bread or muesli with yogurt.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so we got a couple here. So this is a good one, especially for in the summertime. It's coconut yogurt with some spirulina powder, with some chlorella powder, with 99% dark chocolate. You can put in there anything you like. There's some protein powder as well in there. Another really good one is the flaxseed crackers. So it's just, you can make those easily yourself. It doesn't take you much time, and it's just like a cracker, so you can put anything on there, what you want.
And that one over there is pumpkin bread. So.
That's it.
Yeah,
Right.
so you can use that as bread as well. So we got like 1, 2, 3, 4 replacements of bread, and of course you always can make scrambled eggs with some shrimps, or scrambled eggs with a little bit of lamb, for example. So.
You know, when you adapt your lifestyle to giving a bit more to your mitochondria, these are the hardest replacements: bread, yogurt, muesli.
Yeah. We talked about grains before and why it's not healthy, so you don't want to eat a lot of grains. Basically, you can replace anything, because your breakfast should be the largest meal of the day with a lot of protein, with a lot of fat.
Our clients most of the time need 1 or 2 weeks with eggs in the morning, fish in the morning, and then they're used to it and they like it very much.
Yeah.
All right. And what is the biggest, like the best recipe you got?
The best recipe we got. Yeah, this is the nitric oxide salad. So we call it nitric oxide because beetroots and rucola have a lot of nitric oxide in them, and nitric oxide reduces your blood pressure.
And maybe in winter, this is
Oh yeah, in winter, yeah, we got you tried it before once. You loved it. You thought it was candy. In the winter, you need 1 spoon of this, and you're good for the rest of the day.
Right. Well, I'm gonna make a picture of it right now.
Okay.